Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's lesson is about the weather. More specifically, it's about the rainy season. We are going to talk about how to describe rain, what kind of things we can use when it rains, what we can say in different situations. So, without any further ado, let's jump into today's lesson. And just a quick announcement before we start. If you'd like to learn English faster, get more knowledge and practice with other students from around the world, try our online English lessons. There's a link in the description below. Let me introduce myself. I'm your teacher and friend from the USA. It's so nice to meet you. And if this is not our first time talking together, hi, welcome back. We are getting ready to start our English conversation. Now, if you want to support us and this free content, now there is a super thanks button under this video. You can click that and send us a super thanks message. You can also become a member by clicking that join button under this video or become a patron through the link in the description. Thank you very much. All right, now let's talk about the rainy season. Where do you live? Is it rainy season there? Maybe it is. Or maybe where you live, there isn't rainy season. The United States doesn't really have a rainy season. But here in Japan, we have a rainy season. In fact, it started about 2 weeks ago. So, the first thing we need to talk about is what the weather is like when it's raining. When it's raining, you can say, it's raining. That's pretty obvious, right? But there are a few ways to describe the rain. You can say, it's raining lightly, meaning it's raining, but not heavily. It's not really intense. It's raining lightly. It's raining cats and dogs. This one means that it's raining very heavily. And remember this expression, it's raining cats and dogs. It's an idiom. It's an informal way to tell someone that it's raining very heavily. And you can also say, it's pouring. The rain is coming down in torrents. Torrents means a lot of water falling in heavy streams. All these expressions mean the same thing. It's raining very heavily. Now, if you want to know about the weather or ask if it's going to rain, you can say, what's the weather like? Or, is it going to rain? For example, you can hear a weather report on the radio or TV, and then you can say, oh no, it's not good news. The weatherman says it's going to rain all day. You can also ask someone, hey, is it going to rain today? I don't want to go outside without my umbrella. When you talk about rain, you can also talk about the amount of rain. We can say a drizzle, which means a light rain. It doesn't last long and it doesn't make things wet. It's just a little drizzle. And we can also talk about a downpour, a heavy rain that lasts for a long time. For example, we got caught in a downpour. We were outside, and then, suddenly, it started to rain very heavily. We got completely soaked. Another great expression is to pour with rain. When something pours, it means that it's happening a lot. You can say, it's pouring with rain right now also. You can say, it rains cats and dogs, which also means it's raining very heavily. In addition to the expressions, you can use heavy rain and light rain. You can say, there was light rain all morning. In the afternoon, there was heavy rain. Now, let's imagine that you are looking out the window and you see clouds in the sky. What can you say? Well, you can say, it looks like rain, which is another way of saying it might rain. You're not sure if it's going to rain or not, but you think it might. Now let's talk about what you should wear when it rains. The most obvious answer is an umbrella. You can say, oh, I need my umbrella. If you forget your umbrella, you can say, oh no, I forgot my umbrella. And you can also say, don't forget your umbrella. And if someone reminds you to take an umbrella, you can say, thanks for reminding me. Remember, an umbrella is something that you hold in your hand and you open up and close up. It protects you from rain and also sometimes from the sun. Another thing you can use when it rains is a raincoat. A raincoat is a special jacket that keeps you dry. Rain falls off of it easily. You can say, I'm going to put on a raincoat, of course. You can also say that you need a raincoat, I need a raincoat, or that you don't need a raincoat, I don't need a raincoat. It's only a little drizzle. Also, when it's raining, you should wear shoes that don't get wet. Regular shoes absorb water, and they can get very wet when it's raining. So you need some waterproof shoes. Waterproof means that water cannot go through the material. It cannot get your feet wet. You can say, I need some waterproof shoes, or do you have any waterproof shoes? These ones aren't waterproof. Now, if you're wearing a jacket when it's raining, you can say, I'm wearing a jacket because it's raining. That's a polite way to respond if someone asks why you're wearing a jacket. You can say, because it's raining now. If you're getting ready to go outside during the rainy season, there are a few things that you need to remember. First, of course, your umbrella. It's raining. No, to a raincoat. You should wear a raincoat if it's raining heavily. And no. 3. Waterproof shoes. Make sure you wear waterproof shoes. These shoes aren't waterproof. And finally, I want to tell you about one more thing that you can do when it's raining. Some people like to look out the window and watch the rain. When I was little, I loved watching the rain. It's very relaxing for me. I can just sit and watch the rain for hours. When it's raining, it's a good time to drink a cup of tea or coffee and just relax inside. Okay. So, those are the main things I wanted to talk about today. But I wanted to give you the basics. So let's review all the new words and expressions that we learned today. First, we talked about the forecast. It's going to rain all day. It looks like rain. To ask about the weather, you can say, what's the weather like? Or, is it going to rain? Next, we talked about what to wear when it's raining. I told you that I like to wear a raincoat. You can also wear waterproof shoes. And of course, don't forget your umbrella. It is very important to have. Then we talked about the amount of rain. You can talk about a drizzle, a light rain. You can talk about a downpour, a heavy rain that lasts for a long time. And we also talked about the expression to pour with rain. And at the end, I told you about one more thing that you can do when it's raining. You can just sit, drink a cup of tea, and watch the rain. All right, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.